Agradaa don't become evangelist, oh. Hey, my people. I'm going, in fact, no. I need to laugh again. For now, way, maybe I don't forget this whole matter. Yes, Agradaa. Okay, make a note to say presently. She's now an ex, you understand? She was a, what did they call them, I beg? Shrine mistress, abi herbalist, abi anyone where you walk color, as long as say fetish something they inside, yes. And she been hold 2 TV stations for Ghana, yes. Radiation so you could remember by now, yes. Where the name of him God na Sika Gari, na she had to talk about. And according to her now, she say how from now on, say not try call her many other name, say new name na Evangelist Patricia Oduro. Yes. So, and she thought say, no be she give herself that name. Say she see Jesus. Now Jesus give her this name. I bet no be me talk. I can't deliver message. You understand? So no more Sikagari God. In fact, they don't even go born. I beg gonna go watch her now. They born all the things where concern Sikagari. Say from now on she's a changed person. So I beg put the video, make the watch. Abeg, wetin bring this change? Wetin bring this change? No, it reached to shock because it shocked me. Wetin bring this tangible, this big change? Oh, maybe I say prison they change people. I've gotten the solution. From now, we go start to send people go prison. Even without any offense. All those people where we know say, you understand? If you don't say this person, this particular person need change, or maybe said, no, check them. Once they enter, they come out, my people. Even if they don't enter, as long as say they get court matter, like automatically something just they change, something start they, you understand? Because we go start operation what? Sent to prison and repent. I even hear say now she they go church. I beg, if na your church she they go, and they still never tell us. I beg, if na your church she they go, because hold on tight. You understand? I beg, hold on tight. See, now beg and they beg because this one is a huge one. So now need hold on tight. May we not say the hair. For people where they mock God, time go reach. Because I did sure say this woman know God before she studied Sikagari. She knew God. No, before this shrine thing, Sika thing, what. She just didn't want to be a poor Christian, I suspect. Because now wetin many people they do now. She wanted to get money, then come and become a repented what. Many people are doing it. Yes. They go come out. I'm doing this. Before you know, they go switch. Enter some of them. In fact, this one own better. Because some of them go even start with opening church. At least this one, they go per se church. I no go dey shock if tomorrow now we hear say she don't open her own church. Hey, Chineke Jehovah. God is not blind though. God is not blind though. Make una continue. Continue. In good Lord Jonathan's wife's voice. Continue. How you go commit sin intentionally and then you come outside, you talk say you dey repented. But anyhow, I beg, I don't talk say she dey lie. I just they talk based on if she's lying. Because no, you not go understand. How you not go tell me say this woman no be no God? Before this Sika, oh yeah, no problem. I just they hope. Say this change now is genuine. Madam, I hope it's genuine. No, mago. No, understand? I just hope because may it be like that. Now, people, if it's genuine, then I'm happy for her. No, it is. What did they call her? It's a progressive something. Yes, Are they happy for her now? Yes, I go repeat her again. I hope it's genuine. I hear say she don't go ask for forgiveness to all the pastors where she insult, all the pastors where she offend, even normal people. They say she don't go ask everybody for forgiveness. And I beg, if you know say she offend you, she never call meet you, no go inside the keep her for your mind. You feel DM her or something, no keep her for your mind. I beg, life is too short. Let's just live happily and what. You understand? Very, very important. Yes, now the update concerning Nana Agradaa be this. Sorry. I forget. He said me will not call her like that again. Sorry. Evangelist Patricia Oduro. Very, very important. Because anything where you got start the drop her for that comment section. My fellow Ghanaians, yes, I am here for you. So I want to hear what all of you guys to talk concerning this one. And don't forget, share this video. Very, very important. And click on that notification bell. As usual, stay tuned for our next story.